Hi Aquarius, welcome back to Omkara Tarot, and today we'll be doing your in-depth love read. Let's see what wants to show through for you today, how you're feeling, how your person is feeling, and what action we can expect now in your connection. And these are general collective readings, Aquarius. Be mindful of that, take what works for you and just leave the rest. So let's begin. My angel spirit guides, please bless this reading for Aquarius and send them the messages they need to hear the most right now. Thank you. So Aquarius, let's see. Welcome back my subscribers. Thank you for being here again, for your lovely likes and comments. Very grateful. And yes, of course, if you're new here, Aquarius, we welcome you as well. If you enjoy these readings, do subscribe to the channel. Become part of us. We welcome you in. And newbies, let me explain this. I'm setting down two sets of cards here. One side is for you, one side is for your person. But for me, this is person A, this is going to be person B. So if this is your reading, you'll immediately know which side you resonate best with. Okay? And if any of you are looking for a personal reading, my email is in the description box below. You can reach me there. Alright, bottom of my deck, the overall energy is the Knight of Pentacles. Some stagnancy happening here, Aquarius. Things are really stuck between the two of you. No movement. Let's see. So from person A's end, something has disrupted in a relationship here, but they do want to offer a new beginning, it seems. Hey, can we begin again? Can we start again? Have a fresh, brand new beginning. Where person B is concerned, they feel the decision has been made, but they're open to conversation. They are willing to have communication and see where it goes. Let's see. I'm going to start with some dialogue message cards and see if you guys could talk right now, what that would be, and then we'll start clarifying the rest of the cards. So Aquarius and their person spirit, if they could say something to each other now, what would that be? Aquarius and their person. I'm going to take a few more from another deck, Aquarius. Aquarius and their person, if they could say something to each other now, what would that be? Aquarius, thank you. All right. Good to go, Aquarius. Let's start your reading. The first card here says, I may not be good enough for you. You seem to have high standards. What was this? Was this a lover's tiff? I wish that I could take back all the hurtful things I said to you. See? You made me realize I had flaws. I'm not trying to do better now. Giving up and leaving just seems so much easier than to deal with any more pain. I know I have narcissistic tendencies, but I'm not one. I developed these traits to protect myself. It was just not the right time for us. I still have your picture saved. Okay, we need one more. I'm feeling short of one more card. Let's see. I'm going to take one more. Need one more card, Spirit, for Aquarius and their person. One more. Okay. All right. So I have, you're all I ever need to complete me. And I imagine the type of person you would want to be with, and that person is nothing like me. See, this is insecurities. I may not be good enough for you. I imagine the person you'd want to be with me, and that person is not like me. So that is this is the imbalance here, and that's why I guess you guys fight, because it's more to hide. One person is trying to hide their own insecurities by that cover up of this narcissistic, way of behaving, that fighting to look stronger, like an emperor in reverse. So let's see. I'm going to take an angel blessing card, see what my angels want to say to this reading, and maybe give you a blessing, guidance, advice, or a message. For Aquarius, confidence. Yes, Aquarius, it's time to just, I think, be confident. I don't see this as severing of ties so much as somebody needs to have confidence to know their worth. There is somebody here in the mix who doesn't feel good enough. And that's why all these fights happen. Okay. So let's concentrate on person A. Let's see how they're doing. Then we'll move on to person B. So what's this Four of Wands in reverse, Spirit, with the Ace of Pentacles? Oh, somebody's feeling this connection is just not working out. They never feel settled, they never feel secure, they feel their person is a narcissist. See, here it is, always rude and mean, and they say harsh words, they don't show emotions, they always disrespect me as a person. And where is the happiness? Where is the Four of Wands? Where is our happy home, our happy connection? So Ace of Pentacles. Ace of Pentacles. Yeah, person is that angry and that livid right now that they're feeling, I don't want to live in such a stressful atmosphere. Put this back, this was sideways. I don't want to live in such a stressful atmosphere. I think it's better to just leave and, you know, put this connection to an end and maybe have a brand new beginning somewhere else. Ace of Pentacles. They know it's going to be a foolish mistake to do so, but right now I think somebody is very angry. They feel that person is very egoistic, foolish, unwise. I mean, this is a fight. This is, I'm telling you, this is, I don't think this is going to last. I hope not. So what's this Ace of Pentacles, Spirit? Ace of Pentacles. As much as person A is thinking all these negative things about person B, on the sidelines they are waiting and watching. They're waiting and watching. They know it's going to re-begin. They know the person's going to come back. That's what I was sensing. That as much as, you know, they're feeling all this, they've also got one eye looking back. That I hate you, but hey, you know, I hope you're coming back because we have to restart again. So what happened in the recent past, Spirit, for person A to feel like this? Four of Pentacles in reverse. And then the Ten of Wands. Yes, I think they decided I'm not going to fight for this connection. I'm going to release this connection. I'm going to get unstuck. And then the minute they think that, I think person A feels that person is very immature. What's this Ten of Wands, Spirit? Yes, they feel it's really hard. I'm carrying all the burden of this connection. I want to go and see what else is out there or something like that. I think this is a fight where somebody's kind of become fed up with somebody's behavior. They feel that person is rather immature. I don't want this there's no stability here. I don't want to be with them. They're very toxic and I want to release them. I'm carrying all the burden of this connection. I want to go and see what else is out there. I want to turn my back on this connection. So now how does person A feel about this connection, Spirit? Nine of Swords in reverse. Why is that? Nine of Swords in reverse. Four of Wands in reverse again. They're healing. They're healed, though they're not talking though. They are trying to be by themselves maybe, or being patient. They're trying to heal. They are getting out of their stress. It's going to take a little bit of time, but not in the best mood right now, Aquarius. They are maybe not even talking to person B at the moment because they feel person B is a promise breaker. This person is taking stock. This person is, they are manifesting. What are they manifesting, Spirit? This is such a crazy reading. Even though this connection has stagnated at the moment, I think person A, heart of hearts, is still holding on. maybe still manifesting person B back, because when they are by themselves, they start taking stock. Hey, but I do love person B, I do admire person B, and yes, they've broken a few promises, but I'm not going to leave them either. Am I right, Spirit? Yeah, because even sometimes, even if when they lose hope, they start thinking of the connection and the good stuff, the stability, the maybe if you guys are married, then the marriage or whatever. So this is like somebody gets pissed off and then they kind of go right back to where they started. Let's see person B. Person B, the lovers in reverse. Oh, person B has now also realizing that they were the cause of this fight which has happened between the two of you. Yes, they're feeling they've really messed up this connection's emotional happiness between the two of you. They're realizing what they've done, they've broken promises, they've upset their partner, and they're also acknowledging that it's them who did this. Now this person is very, very restless, they want to communicate. 8 of Wands, Spirit. Yes, they're feeling sheepish, they're feeling unloved, they want to come back, and they want to come back now and heal this broken heart of their partner. They want to communicate, they are making that choice to do so. They are very attracted still to person A. In the past, what happened, Spirit, for person B to have felt this way? Or in the past, they put, not that they wanted to end anything, but I think they messed up big time. They didn't take responsibility of something and they got caught. They were trying to escape some kind of responsibility and they got caught. They have a lot of regret and sorrow about it, Aquarius. Don't worry. This person is feeling rather bad about what they've done, and also because they got caught also in the bargain. Yes, they don't like being single. They don't want to be away from you because they really know that person A makes them very, very happy. So right now, how does person B now feel about this connection, Spirit, or person A? See, they want to come back. They want to come back and have this equal give and take with you. They're not happy by themselves. They're also scared, I think. 6 of Pentacles. Yes, they know they've created some bad situation between the two of you. Maybe they were indulging in something. Maybe this weekend they overdrank, maybe, and person A got pissed out at them or played too many video games or had a boys' night out or something like that. They know that they've created some problem here, but person A, you are their wish fulfillment. They are the happiest with you. They made a mistake and they are really, really obsessing, scared right now. What's this Devil card, Spirit? What's this Devil card? Yeah, they're very scared that you are going to leave them, that you won't put in any more work, you won't be interested in working towards a connection with them anymore. If you guys are married, they feel you're going to cut their head off and now you have the upper hand, and they're very, 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 very afraid. Let's see. Person A, will you take any action? Person A is very pissed off. They're leaving person B out in the cold. Why is that an action, Spirit? Yes, person A is saying, I am not going to even talk to them because it's going to end up in an argument. All I want to do is find my peace. I want to leave them behind and find a little spot somewhere where I can be in peace. Person B, any action? Oh, they're coming with a big cup of love, Aquarius. They are going to come and make things right, I feel. Ace of Cups. Yes, because you're walking away, they can't bear it. They can't bear you walking away. They're so afraid if they don't come back and offer you all the love in the world, Aquarius, or person A. They're so scared that you're going to walk away from their life. Am I right, Spirit? They want to work with you again. They're a bit afraid to come and offer you an apology because they feel that right now you are pissed off and you're going to fight with them, but they do want to get back into a working relationship with you once again. They don't want you to leave. They want to start brand new. They want to begin again. So I don't know what's happened here, Aquarius. I think you guys are just sulking and not talking to each other right now. But heart of hearts, I don't see any problem as such. All is well. It will be well. So till next time then, love and light. Take care. Namaste.